We will be making this kusudama, and this is actually made using 30 sheets of 2:1 ratio. Here is the paper. Start with color side down and fold this diagonally up like this. And repeat on the other side. Now fold this half, bring this point to this point here like this. And once you have done, unfold this. Do a triangular fold here. Fold this point until the middle line that you've made just now. Same with the other side. And fold this back up. Now for this flap, right, fold it down diagonally like this. And fold this triangle. And you see there's a flap here like this. Just squash fold. Insert your finger into this pocket here and squash. Make sure it is center. And if you notice, right, there is this triangle, fold it backwards. Backward like this. And fold this part up. Repeat on the other side. Fold it down. And this triangle up. And squash fold. Insert your finger inside this pocket here. And do a squash. Make sure it is center. Lift this up like this. There is a triangle, right? Fold it to the back. And fold this up. This is the completed unit. And to assemble is like this. It's actually quite hard, but I think it's possible to do. We have this flap here, right? This flap actually goes underneath this part, like this. So it just hooks very lightly. And so you have to be very careful when assembling. This is the second piece. Hook it like this. Once you have hooked, try to fold this part so that it's more secure. And for the third one, just hold it here and hook this part like this. This is the 3-piece assembly. Once you have assembled all 30, you will get this. Notice that it doesn't actually stick to the body of the kusudama. It's just hanging out like this.